Hey, okay, you had section 11-3, numbers 3 to 54, multiples of 3. Let's get to it. Number 3, we are simplifying all these radicals. Square root of 20. We need to split it up into two factors, one of which we can square root. 4 and 5. I can square root the 4, 2 square root of 5. Yeah, we can't go any further with the 5. That's your answer for number 3. Number 6. 6 says square root of 50. We need to split it into factors, one of which we can square root. 25 and 2. I can square root the 25. 5 square root of 2. That's as far as we can go. You cannot go any further with the square root of 2. Number 9. Number 9 says radical 3x to the second. Okay, I'm going to split it up. Number variable. I can square root the x squared. That's just x. That's as far as we can go. Number 12. Square root of 49b. I'll split it up. Number variable. Can we square root either of those? 49. Number 15. Square root of 9x. Square root of 9, square root of x. I can square root the 9. 3 radical x. Number 18. Oh, same idea. 9x squared. I can square root the 9. I can square root the x squared. Number 21. 21 says 4x squared plus 8x plus 4. Okay, so you can only square root factors. Yeah, this is all addition, so we should factor it. All the terms have a 4 in common. So I'm going to factor out a 4. That'll leave me with x to the second plus 2x plus 1. I can square root the 4. That's 2. Can we go further with this radical? That can be factored. So I'm going to go 2 sets of parentheses. X and x, we need a positive 1 at the end. Plus 1 and plus 1. So that's x plus 1 squared. We can square root that now. 2x plus 1. Number 24. Square root of 5x squared plus 30x plus 45. There are no factors. This is an addition problem. We need to factor it. They have a 5 in common, so I'm going to factor out a radical 5. That'll leave us with x to the second plus 6x plus 9. We can go further with this radical. I'll go to 2 sets of parentheses. X and x. We need a positive 9. Plus 3 and plus 3. So that is x plus 3 squared. I can square root this now. X plus 3 radical 5. And just like the previous problems, whatever you square rooted, we'll put that first. Yeah, we don't want to put it after the radical. It'll look like it's under the radical. Okay. Number 27. If I split this up, that's x squared times x squared times x squared. Yeah, x to the 6. This is x, this is x, this is x. So our answer is x to the 3rd. We could have gone straight from here to here. There is a shortcut. Number 30. Square root of x to the 16. This would be x to the 8th. Not x to the 4th. You know, x to the 4th times x to the 4th is not x to the 16th. It's x to the 8th. Yeah, x to the 8th times x to the 8th is x to the 16th. This is what we're looking for. Number 33. Square root, I'm going to use x. X to the 19th. We should split this up. X, 9 and 10. Don't get fooled here. You can't square root x to the 9. It's not x to the 3rd. X to the 3rd times x to the 3rd is x to the 6th. We can square root x to the 10th though. This is x to the 5th. Can we go further with x to the 9th though? 5 and 4. 5 and 4 is okay. I'm going to go with 8 and 1. X to the 8th and x to the 1st. That's x to the 9th. I can square root x to the 8th. That's x to the 4th. And so, x to the 9th radical x. We could have done this shorter. Here. If I had gone x to the 18th and x, this would be x to the 9th radical x, which is what we got down here. Number 36. Is radical x plus 3 to the 6. Oh, this one is easy. It's x plus 3 to the 3rd. 39. Radical 36 m to the 3rd. I'm just going to split it up. The number and the variable. I can square root the 36. That's 6. M to the 3rd is not possible, but can we go further? I'll split it up. M and m to the 2nd. I can square root m to the 2nd. That's just m. Number 42. 42 says square root of 12b to the 7. Okay, I'm going to split up number, variable. Ooh. Okay, can we split the 12 into factors, one of which we can square root? 4 and 3. That would be 2 radical 3. The b to the 7. B to the 6 and b will give us b to the 7. I can square root b to the 6. B to the 3rd. Okay. This is 2b to the 3rd, and under the radical, we still have 3b. 45. 45 says 3 radical 200. Oh, okay. You just got to pick wisely for the 200. 25 and 8 works. 4 and 50 works. I'll go 102. Square root of 100 is 10. So this is 30 radical 2. Yeah. Would have came out with the same answer regardless if you had picked 25 and 8 or 50 and 4. I would say that's the best choice. Number 48. (48) says negative 3 radical 72. We need to split it up into factors. 9 and 8. All right, that's fine. This is negative 3. That's a 3. Can we go further with the 8? 4 and 2. 2, 3, negative 3. Okay, so this would be negative 18 radical 2. They're better choices. Like 4 and 18 would have worked also. I would have went with 36 and 2. Square root of 36 is 6. Negative 18 radical 2. Yeah, it's just a matter of what you choose. Number 51. (51) says 4m radical 20m to the second. Okay, we can square root the m to the second. That's just m. So now it's 4m to the second radical 20. Can we go further with the 20? 4 and 5. I can square root the 4. That's 2. 2 times 4 is 8. M squared radical 5. Can we go further with the 5? No. Last one, 54. 54 says 3a to the third radical 28a to the third b to the fifth. I'm going to split it up. 28a to the third b to the fifth. I need to split it up further. I cannot square root anything the way it is. So 3a to the third. How can we factor the 28? 4 and 7. The a to the third. A squared and a. The b to the fifth. B to the fourth and b. Okay, so we can square root each of these. 3a to the third, 2 radical 7, a radical a, b squared radical b. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6, a to the third, and another a is a to the fourth, b to the second, and there's still a 7, an a, and a b under the radical. Okay, hope that helps. We'll see you in the next one.